Hi everyone, today we are discussing the Laravel Marketplace Multi Shipping extension. This module explains how to use multi-shipping in a Laravel marketplace. It allows buyers to select different shipping options for each seller within a single order, ensuring flexibility and accurate shipping costs. To use this extension, make sure the Laravel Multi-Vendor Marketplace and a supported Laravel shipping method are installed. These methods include eCommerce Marketplace, Table Rate Shipping, FedEx Shipping, Marketplace USPS Shipping, Marketplace UPS Shipping, or Marketplace Per Product Shipping. Now let's cover installation for the Laravel Marketplace Multi Shipping. Here is the step-by-step process. After installation, proceed to the live demo. Open the Laravel Marketplace and switch to the admin panel. In the admin dashboard, go to Configure, Sales. In Sales, you will see available shipping methods. The available shipping methods include multi-shipping, free shipping, flat rate shipping, marketplace USPS shipping, and marketplace UPS shipping. For multi-shipping, you can enable or disable its status. Enter a title and description to display at checkout. You can also enable or disable the marketplace USPS and UPS methods. After making changes, click Save Configuration. Once configuration is finished, switch to the seller view. Log in as a seller and access the seller dashboard. Find the multi-shipping option. Sellers can select which methods to offer by checking boxes, then click Save Shipping. After saving the shipping methods, go to the storefront. When a customer adds a product to their cart, they can continue to checkout and enter their billing information. Street address, country, state, city, zip code, and telephone number. Click Proceed. During checkout, customers can see shipping options such as Marketplace, Multi-Shipping, and Priority Mail. Select your preferred shipping and payment methods, then click Place Order. The order is successfully placed. That's all for this tutorial. If you want to upgrade your multi-vendor store with flexible shipping, try multi-shipping today. Thanks for watching.